Alex was a poor orphan boy living alone in a broken wooden cabin on the edge of a quiet countryside town. He had no parents, no family, and most days barely enough food to survive. People in the village often ignored him. Some treated him harshly. Still, every morning, Alex went out looking for small jobs, carrying wood, cleaning yards, doing anything honest just to earn a meal. Life was hard, but Alex held on to one simple habit. At night, he talked to God, not with big prayers, just honest words. God, I don't ask for much, just don't forget me. One hot afternoon, Alex worked all day for a strict man named Mr. Carter. Under the burning sun, he carried heavy sacks and buckets of water. By evening, he was exhausted, but he received a small bag of food. To Alex, it felt like treasure. On his way home, a group of older boys stopped him. They laughed, pushed him, and knocked his food to the ground. Alex didn't fight back. He quietly picked up what he could. With tears in his eyes, he whispered to the sky, God, I know others suffer more, but please give me strength to stay kind. As he walked beside a calm river, Alex noticed an old man sitting alone on a rock. The man looked weak and hungry. Good evening, son, the old man said gently. Do you have something to share? I haven't eaten today. Alex looked at his small bag of food. It was barely enough for himself, but he remembered something his mother once said. When you give from the heart, you're never truly empty. Nervously, Alex took the best piece of bread and handed it to the old man. The man smiled, ate slowly, and said, Thank you. You are very kind. They walked together under the trees. Then the old man stopped and looked at Alex with eyes full of light. Alex, he said softly, do you know who you walked with today? Before Alex could answer, the man's face began to glow with a warm golden light. I heard every prayer you whispered. I saw every tear you cried alone. I never left you. Alex fell to his knees. You're God? He whispered. God smiled and touched Alex's food bag. It became heavy, filled with fresh bread, fruit, and rice. What you give in love, God said, I return multiplied. Alex walked home with a full bag and a peaceful heart. Life didn't become perfect, but he never felt alone again. And this story is for you. If you feel forgotten, if life feels unfair, if you give more than you receive, remember this. God sees your kindness. God sees your quiet struggles. And sometimes God comes not as a miracle, but as a stranger, a moment, or a small choice to do good. Your kindness matters, and one day doors will open where you once saw only walls.